Good morning mga guys. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Barangay Kawit, Buwak, Marinduque. At ang inyo pong nakikita ngayon ay ang simbahan ng Kawit. Katapat po yan ng pier. Ngayon po ay ating sasaksiyan ang pagdating ng malaking cross na galing sa ibang bansa na ang marami pong laman ng mga bisitang foreigner. Kaya samahan niyo po ako sa pagsalubong sa nasabing cross. Tara po mga guys. Ang nasa harapan po ninyo ngayon ay ang papuntang pier, kaya talakarin na lang po natin. Siguro mga half kilometer po ang layo nito sa kalsada, kaya maglalakad po tayo. Samahan niyo po ako mga guys. Ayan po mga guys, mayroon pong mga pulis na galing na po doon. Ayan po mga guys, natatanaw po na ang nasabing cross. Mga guys, ito na yung harapan ng pier. Philippine Ports Authority, pier po ito ng Kawit. At sabi nila dito raw dadaong sabi nila dito dadaong yung cruise na padating. Good morning, sir. Sir, pwede po bang makapasok? Ano po ako, Marlin 6 and Butterfly Culture, bibisita po sa amin yung mga ano dyan, yung mga natin.
Mamaya na lang po, tatanong muna natin sa kasi hindi man sila basta-basta ay tatanong din po natin na mamaya.
Sige po.
Kasi aming port manager yan dyan ay. Sir yun? Hindi, nakaano lang yun, Fortuner yata. Ang puti. Mamaya.
Sige po. Mga guys, aantayin natin yung manager ng Port Authority at tayo magpapaalam. Ayan mga guys, mga dumarating na ang mga susunod sa mga bisita.
Doon po pwede po kayo magtanong doon sa aming division sa PPA.
Saan po yun, sir?
Sa opisina po mamaya. Pwede sir kayo magpunta doon?
Saan ako dadaan?
Sa opisina sa pwede lang po.
Dito na? Thank you.
Kung pwedeng
Alam mo yung cruise ship yung nandun po sa bundaro?
Opo.
Guys, pupunta ngayon tayo sa opisina ng Philippine Port at tayo magpapaalam kung pwede tayong video dito sa loob. Ito ang pier ng Kawit mga guys. Ayan nakikita nyo yung nakikita nyo yung nasa laot na mali na cross, yun yung daraong dito mga guys. Ito naman yung passenger terminal mga guys. Dito tayo magtatanong. At mga guys, passenger terminal, Port of Kawit, Buwak, Marinduque. Ayan. At meron ding mga dito mga guys. Itong mga tawag dito, yung mga handicrafts na gawa dito sa atin sa Marinduque. Yan mga guys. Guys, dito tayo. Good morning po, sir, ma'am. Ako po si Mr. Lyron, yung owner ng Marlin Six and Butterfly Culture. Pwede po ba akong mag-video dito?
Ito si AA na
Si
andyan.
Sir Sherwin po ang nag-vision
Oh, yan, nariyan.
Sir Sherwin
Pero
po
pwede din kayo
sana.
pagpaalam mo lang muna nandyan.
Ayan mga guys, nagaganda ang mga ano. Good morning po, sir.
Kung pwede daw siyang mag-video.
Morning, sir.
Paano?
Ako yung may-ari ng Marlin Six and Butterfly Culture.
Tanong mo kay sir kung pwedeng allow siyang mag-video. Gusto niya itanong kasi siyempre.
Ano sir?
Sir Sherwin, ayos mo.
Wait, di naman pala itibeb.
Ayan mga guys, ang ating mga P4. Good morning po, sir. Sir, ako po yung may-ari ng Marlin Six and Butterfly Culture. Sasabi bisitahin ng ating dadating na mga bisita. Pwede po ba akong mag-video dito sa loob?
Narito na kayo.
Mr. Lyron po, Jetty Gary Lyron.
Ay, Sharon Reyes po.
At baka gusto nilang pumasyal doon sa aking butterfly garden.
Ah, sige po. Kayo po pala yung naandun kanina. Ano, pwede naman.
Sige po, thank you po. Guys, yan ang mga susundo sa mga sa mga bisita nating mga foreigner. Yang mga banayan, ayan oh, nakikita nyo. Dream Fever yan mga guys. Ayan mga guys. Sila yung mga susundo. Ay, kumusta man? Good morning.
Mabuti naman po. Okay.
Oh, ay kayo pala susundo diyan sa natin sa mga bisita.
Karon po na ano,
Asyerte naman ninyo at kayo yung unang makakakita diyan sa ating mga bisita.
pagkakataon po.
Pagkakataon natin yan. Unang ano ba yan? Unang pagkakataon na mayroon ditong dumaong na ganyan.
Opo, ngayon lang po.
Oh, yan mga guys. Kauna-unahan pa lang pagkakataon. Ngayon lang dadaong ang ganyang kalaking barko dito na tinatawag na cruise. Dito sa Kawit Port. Dito muna tayo. Kukuha muna tayo ng mga view. Yan mga guys. Ito yung kabilang side ng pier guys. Ito yung tawag doon. Yung gawing kanan. At dito naman sa papuntang kaliwa. Ayan. Ayan. May isang barkong nakadaong dito guys. Yung kargahan yata ito ng mga simento. Ayan o. Ayan na yung tubig ng dagat mga guys. Pero yung barko na parating na cruise ay medyo malayo-layo pa rin. Hindi pa rin natin natatanaw na pero hindi pa masyadong malapit. Ayun o, kung nakikita nyo yung barko na padaong dito. Andun pa lang siya. Siguro mamaya mga bandang alas 7 o alas 8. Kadaong na yan. Ayan mga guys, sumisilay na ang haring araw dito sa pier. Ayan, nakikita natin. Yung nakikita nating isla mga guys na medyo malayo, yan ay Batangas. Batangas yan. Yang isla na yan. Ayan. Batangas. At yun namang nandun sa banda doon ay Mindoro yun mga guys. Hindi masyadong makita kasi malayo na eh. Hindi natin may ano. Hindi pa rin dumadaong yung cruise mga guys. Aantay natin. Yan mga guys, yan ang mga susundo sa mga bisitang darating sakay ng cruise. Isang malaking barko na galing pa sa ibang bansa. Ayan mga guys, yung ating mga yan yung magwi-welcome, yan yung magwi-welcome sa ating mga bisita ngayon na galing sa ibang bansa.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ito naman mga guys, yung ating kapulisan, yung kung nakikita nyo, ito yung ating kapulisan na siyang nagbabantay sa kayusan ng ating pier. Mga guys. Mga guys, kita niyo yung magwi-welcome sa ating mga bisita. Ayan, mga nakasuot ng mahabang baro.
Open! Jobs! Jobs! Huwag na si Open eh.
So dapat maganda yung lahat ng paan.
Gawa na ninyo yung lahat ng inyong post.
Balance na yan.
Pabuhay.
Buhay test.
1, 2, isa pa. 1, 2.
Okay, yan mga guys, ang kabuuan ng sasalubong sa ating mga bisita.
Okay na.
Okay.
Tama na muna.
Dapat may palipad tayong butterfly.
Kung nga po ay, awang ko baga dyan sa mga yan. Kung meron, wala.
Dapat nang hingi ng butterfly. Mga guys, mayroon pang muryon. Oh. Ayan, oh. May muryon pa. Ito mga guys, may muryon pa tayong sasalubong sa ating mga bisita. Eh, dapat nga mayroon eh.
Wala.
Ay wala, ewan ko sa kanila. Dapat nang hingi ang tourism ng mga butterfly doon sa mga kuan. Madaan yun sa bahay. Madaan doon yan sa bahay. Naka-schedule yan.
Kala ko kapalipad ng drone, mahirap.
Wala guys.
Yung nga ako nagpalipad ng drone, ayaw mga
Akala ko ikaw ay.
butterfly.
Dapat butterfly nagpalipad.
Ayaw mo dito magpalipad. Baka mo sa dagat.
Hindi na makuha. Mga guys. Ayan, ayan mga guys, sumasayaw-sayaw pa at kumakawal ang ating mga sasalubong, ang bibisita sa ating mga bisitang galing pa sa ibang bansa. First time in the history of Marinduque mga guys. Ngayon lang may dumaong na napakalaking barko na natawag na cruise dito sa pier ng Marinduque. Kaya mga guys, panoorin nyo itong bidyong ito at siguradong magugustuhan nyo. Ito yung ating mga produkto ng Marinduque na ilalagay natin sa ulo ng mga bisita. Ayan, yung gawa sa nito. Ayan. Ayan mga guys, may bagong dating na naman na mga sasalubong sa ating mga bisita. Ayan o. Ayan mga guys. Smile! Ayan mga guys, ang ating sasalubong ng mga nagagandahang Marinduqueña. Ayan.
As part of their annual practice and a form of penitence and religious vow. Morionan rites is a week-long observance of Christ's Passion during Holy Week among the people of the province. It is a folk religious practice to express their vow as an act of penance or a way of thanksgiving for good health, successful life, or bountiful harvest or catch. Central to the event is the participation of local Moriones or penitents in biblical Roman soldier uniforms and masks who walk around town under the sweltering summer heat. Moriona is a combination of art and devotion of Marinduqueños, a solemn socio-cultural activity rather than a tourist attraction. As you walk in, the merry sound and music of the kalutans fill the air. Kalutang is a musical instrument made of identical pair of wood from the Katwatingan and bayog trees. When struck on particular points along their length, the wood produces notes of definite pitches and of tonal quality that remotely resembles the sound of marimba and castanets. Kalutang is classified as concussion idiphones composed of varying sizes. A band of 10 to 12 men can create music using this instrument. Dear guests, before you take your tour, learn and take a look of our island way of life, we cap this morning's welcome activity with the performance of the Putong rites. The Tubong is a ceremony indigenous to the island of Marinduque. Literally, the word Putong, nagdidiretso ko, maya-maya, sandali lang to, means to crown, is a song of thanksgiving, hope, and prayer for a long, blessed life. According to beliefs, the patron saint rejoices at this kind of celebrations and intercedes, blah, blah, blah. During the rite, you will be showered with flowers and coins. Yes, good luck coins. Don't forget to pick them up, for these special mementos attract luck and will come back to you 1,000-fold. Ladies and gentlemen, only in Marinduque, the Tubong!
Mula sa Christian at Calabar, happy birthday, Congressman Lord Alan Velasco. We love you.
Guys, ayan na. Ayan, tinutugtog na nila yung ano, yung welcome ano. Ayan guys, masayaw na.
Morion, baba na tayo sa baba.
Ayan mga guys, ang mga Moryon. Moryon ng Marinduque.
Bakit wala si Greg? Si Greg wala? Saan ka galing?
Yan mga guys, yan ang advance party. Binibisita nila muna ang pier para sa safety ng ating mga bisita. Mga guys, ito na parating na yung mga pasahero na galing doon sa cruise. Hindi nakadaong yung barko dito sa pier kasi baka daw sumayad. Pero parating na yung unang batch ng pasahero na galing doon sa barko.
Alam natin mga mga ingatan nga po yung mga cellphone at malalim yung dagat, mahirap sisirin.
Ayan ang mga guys, padaong na yung unang batch ng pasahero galing doon sa cruise.
Ate, share mo na lang sa akin yan.
Hermano,
Kompleto na ba? Meron ka. Meron pa. Tanong ko. May next stop.
Call them the Kalutang band. 12 sticks a day as I know. And they only have two notes only. So they need to be at least 8 persons. It's the size and the length. No, if you're going away, be in front and another one. So, yes. And the other one is control. The other one,
We can take it for you.
It's very unique. It's one of the gems. One of the gems. Yes, yes.
This one, they perform during the holiday.
You can join them. The picture number.
hello ma'am, good morning. Yes ma'am, this is your first time here in Marinduque? Oh yeah, what can you say about Marinduque? Beautiful? Oh yeah, thanks.
third month of March in
So what is show things to John?
Hello sir, good morning.
Good morning.
This is your first time here in Marinduque?
It is my very first time here.
Oh yeah, what can you say about my province?
Well, we've had a wonderful time in the Philippines going from island to island.
Oh yeah?
I'm really enjoying ourselves.
And you are from?
We are from Australia.
Oh, Australia, yeah,
And
okay.
this is the first time this ship has come to this island.
Ye-
So very excited to be here.
Oh yeah, yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Marinduque is the most very peaceful province in the Philippines.
It is it? Oh, that's good to know.
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
we're interested in finding out a little more about this area,
Yeah.
and I'm sure the guides will fill us in on all the information.
How old are you, sir?
Sorry?
How old are you?
Oh, I'm very old. I'm 79.
I'm 79.
And how old are you?
Me, I'm 65.
Oh, you're still young.
I think you are very rich in your country.
Now, this is a lovely welcome.
Yeah,
Everybody.
yeah.
And the significance of them dressing up like Romans, they're dressing up like Romans, aren't they? Not Spanish or anything. Is there a reason for this? Is this costume normal here for celebrations?
Yeah. You are very welcome here in Marinduque.
Yeah. I think this is wonderful.
Yes. Let's go.
We're having a special ceremony for welcoming you. Yeah, very special. Okay. Okay, go ahead. And then you can take a seat in there. You will be kings and queens just for a moment. You'll be as kings and queens. Kings and queens just for a moment.
Ba't ako hindi man picture?
Pwede na raw iputong to. Itong first batch. Pwede na raw iputong second first
Sabi
batch.
nila?
Go, tatanong nasa ba sila susa? Dati na raw yan. Kasi nakikita, meron pa dito. Iputong pa na raw yung first batch.
May second batch man.
Duque is seventh province in the Philippines. Okay? Part 3. Okay? That's a very, very distinction. We try to avoid the illicit use of drugs. So it's drug-free, and that's a very rare distinction in the country. And our crime rate is very low, right? We have beautiful white sandy beaches here. We have beautiful caves. We have beautiful and scenic places that you can go to. Unfortunately, we only have around, I think, half day or a little more than 5 hours. But more importantly, we have a beautiful culture, beautiful traditions like what you will have here. We call the is royal welcome, and later you will be given crowns. So we welcome you as the royalty, okay? And Marinduqueños are warm and hospitable people. Marinduque is the heart of the Philippines because in 1911, the U.S. government set up the geographical reference point in one of the towns here, and from that point, they compute all the technical descriptions of all the lands in the Philippines. That's why we say it's the heart of the Philippines. And if you look at the shape of Marinduque, it's also. And if you look closely at the map of the Philippines, it resembles the form of a human being. There's a head, there's a chest, there are lower extremities, and you will find that Marinduque is in the middle of the chest. That's why it's with a heart. Okay? And we are also known as the home of the Moriones. Moriones, you see the Roman soldiers there that greeted you during the Holy Week, where we commemorate the Passion of Christ. A lot of people go to Marinduque. And there are certain practices, people join the rituals. We have a very nice procession, and hopefully someday you can visit us during the Holy Week. Because predominantly Marinduqueños are a Catholic people. We are very much into religion. Okay. So we feel that this is one of the destinations of choice in the Philippines. So after your stay here, I hope you tell your friends in your beautiful country of Australia that we have a beautiful island province of Marinduque. Okay, so welcome all of you and enjoy your brief stay in Marinduque. Thank you very much. I visited Australia several times before, but second summer, I go there during young opens at tennis tournament, which I really enjoy.
Ayan o. Ayan mga guys. Wini-welcome na sila ng tugtog ng bandurya.
Mabuhay! Welcome to Marinduque, the heart of the Philippines, the home of memorials. These are the friendly men who ushered you in as you set foot in this beautiful and peaceful province. Locally called warriors, full head face mask award to participants during lenten season, part of their annual practice and a form of penitence and religious vow. Moriona is a combination of art and devotion of Marinduqueños, a solemn socio-cultural activity. As you walk in, the merry sound and beat of the kalutang fill the air. Kalutang is a musical instrument made of identical pair of wood from Aquatingan and Bayong trees. When struck on particular points along their length, the wood produces notes of definite pitches and of tonal quality that remotely resembles the sound of marimba and castanets. Kalutang is classified as percussion idiophons, composed of varying sizes. A band of 10 to 12 men can create music using this instrument. Dear guests, before you take your tour, learn to take a look at our island way of life. We cap this morning's welcome activity with a performance of Tubong Rice. Tubong of Unong is a ceremony indigenous to the island of Marinduque. Literally, the word Putong means to crown. It's a song of thanksgiving, hope and prayer for a long life. According to beliefs, the patron saint rejoices at this kind of celebrations and intercedes for the honoree in his wish for long life, happiness, and safety from death and bad luck. During the rite, you will be showered with flowers and coins. Yes, good luck coins. Don't forget to pick them up, for this special mementos attract luck and will come back to you a thousandfold. Ladies and gentlemen, only in Marinduque, the Putong!
Thank you.
Welcome to Marinduque!
Guys, tapos na ang putong. Tapos na ang selebrasyon. Ngayon, pupunta na siguro sila sa bayan, sa Kapitolyo Paigong.
Pag-alis na. Sino po sabi ko? Sino po sabi?
The tour guide will be the one to explain how to listen.
Okay, okay.
And guys, sasakay na sila sa van. Pupunta na sila sa bayan, sa Kapitolyo.
Enjoy your tour, have fun, have fun.
Ayun na guys, palabas na yung mga van. Pupunta na sila ng Buwak.